Hi, I'm Steve. I just got off the Blizzard Bushwacker. I give this 4.5 out of 5 stars. I really like this ski. It's very light, very quick and easy to transition from the turns, very supple. I like the flex on it. I tried the one that was wider than this. I didn't like it as much. It was too wide. I thought this was the perfect width, 88 underfoot. Can work on hard pack or soft pack or powder conditions. Wasn't too stiff, very, very solid, very easy, graceful turning on it. And made it very fun to just kind of ride like a big open GS turn type of style. So I give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. I like the ski. It was one of my favorites.